Welcome back to this course. In this video we will present some real-world example of a company that successfully transformed to the MSP model. Cornerstone IT Consulting is a locally owned and operated IT shop based in Jackson, Tennessee. Cornerstone is a small IT consulting firm that recognized the potential of transitioning into an MSP model to expand their business and enhance their service offerings. For most of its 20 years in business, Cornerstone specialized in break-fix. However, a change in management in 2018 led to a reevaluation of the company's business model and long-term strategy. Ultimately, the leadership decided it was critical to move into managed cloud services, especially within security and backup. We have Emma from Cornerstone here. Emma, can you please share the main challenges your company faced?
We had three major challenges that pushed us to the limit. Firstly, limited scalability. Our heavy reliance on project-based work hindered consistent revenue and growth. Breaking free from that cycle was a struggle. Secondly, our reactive approach caused recurring problems and client dissatisfaction. We learned the hard way that being proactive and providing consistent support was crucial for stronger client relationships. Lastly, inefficient resource utilization was a hurdle. By implementing a structured service delivery framework, analyzing skills, and providing continuous training, we maximized our team's potential and made sure their talents were fully utilized.
We're continuing our conversation with Nico from Cornerstone. Nico, could you share the transformation steps your company took?
Absolutely. We took several strategic steps to position ourselves for success. Let's dive right in. Step 1: Strategic planning. We conducted a thorough analysis of market trends, customer demands, and competitor offerings. This helped us identify the gaps in our services and develop a strategic plan to transform into a managed service provider. It was all about understanding the market and aligning our offerings accordingly. Step 2: Service portfolio expansion. To better serve our clients, we expanded our service portfolio. We added proactive network monitoring, 24/7 helpdesk support, data backup and recovery, and cybersecurity solutions. It allowed us to offer comprehensive IT services that addressed our clients' evolving needs. Step 3: Process optimization was key. We implemented industry-standard IT service management processes to streamline our operations, enhance service delivery, and ultimately improve customer satisfaction. It helped us become more efficient and deliver consistent results. Step 4: Client education and communication. We understood that proactive IT management was essential, so we educated our clients about its benefits. We emphasized the value of long-term partnerships, preventive maintenance, cybersecurity measures, and regular system updates. It was about empowering our clients with knowledge.
And finally, we have Lisa, the CFO of Cornerstone. Lisa, could you please share the results of your company's transformation into the MSP model?
Certainly. Our transformation yielded some exciting results. Let's delve into them. Improved customer satisfaction. With our shift to proactive support, we witnessed a remarkable improvement in customer satisfaction. Client-reported issues significantly reduced, and our clients appreciated the enhanced level of service and minimized downtime. It was a win-win situation. Revenue growth. The implementation of managed services contracts brought about a positive change. Our revenue stream became more predictable and stable. We achieved consistent monthly recurring revenue and experienced steady business growth. It allowed us to plan better and make informed decisions. Increased efficiency. Efficiency became a focal point for us. By adopting IT service management, ITSM, processes and leveraging automation tools, we optimized our resource allocation. This led to improved technician productivity and better utilization of our team's expertise. It was about working smarter, not harder. Competitive advantage. Becoming an MSP gave us a distinct edge in the market. We positioned ourselves as a trusted partner focused on proactive support, security, and long-term client success. It allowed us to differentiate ourselves and stand out from the competition. Clients valued our approach and expertise.
Fantastic, Lisa. Thank you for sharing these remarkable outcomes with us.
It was a pleasure to share our journey. Remember, transformation to the MSP model can bring incredible results when approached strategically.